Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie and today we're making chocolate dipped peppermint cookies. Let's get started. For this recipe you'll need 2 cups of flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, a quarter of a teaspoon of salt, 2 sticks of butter softened, a half a cup of sugar, 1 egg, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half a teaspoon of peppermint extract, a cup of chocolate chips, a teaspoon of oil, and some red food coloring. In a large bowl, mix together your flour, baking powder, and salt using a whisk. This not only combines your ingredients, but it also helps to break up any clumps. Once everything is well combined, set your dry ingredients aside for later and move over to your electric mixer. To our electric mixer, we will add 2 sticks of softened butter and a half a cup of granulated sugar. Cream your butter and sugar together until it becomes light and fluffy. Now that our sugar and butter are well combined, we will add in our egg. Once your egg is fully mixed in, add your vanilla and peppermint extract. Now we will add our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients, little by little until all of it has been added in. Be sure to scrape down the sides and bottom of your bowl as needed. This just helps to ensure that all of your ingredients are fully incorporated. Add all of your cookie dough to a clean working surface and divide it in half. Place half of the cookie dough back into your electric mixer and add in some red food coloring. Be careful not to overmix. Now we will form our cookie dough into 2 small logs. Then we will cut each log into 3 equal parts. Roll each part into a rope and then form into a triangle. We will now rearrange our triangle-shaped ropes so that they are alternating in color. Now we will respace each triangle-shaped rope so that they are touching at their base. Then carefully roll your cookie dough back into a log. Wrap your cookie log in plastic wrap and roll your cookie log on your workstation using a back and forth motion. Rolling our cookie log back and forth on our counter not only lengthens our cookie log, but it also mixes our two colors together, creating that beautiful swirl pattern. Once your two colors are swirled together, place in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or overnight. When you're ready to start baking, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut your cookie log into 1/4 inch thick slices and place them on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. We will now place our cookies in the oven and bake them for 10 to 15 minutes. When your cookies are done baking, leave them to cool while you melt your chocolate. In a small bowl, mix together 1 cup of chocolate chips with 1 teaspoon of oil. Once your chocolate and oil are well combined, place it in the microwave and melt using 10 to 20-second increments. Be sure to stir after each. This ensures that your chocolate is melting evenly without burning. Now that our chocolate is done melting, we will spoon a small amount on a piece of parchment paper and place a cookie on top. Repeat this process for all of your cookies. Once all of your cookie bottoms have been coated in chocolate, be sure to leave them alone until the chocolate has completely hardened. Once the chocolate completely hardens, you will find that the cookies are easy to remove from the parchment paper. Your cookies are now ready to eat. I really hope you like these cookies as much as I do. And if you give this recipe a try, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more.